Amma Saraswati left avamma. Amma Saraswati screen sharing off cheyamma. See now here the value which occurs most frequently we says that it is an a mode. So number of times which one is repeated, that one we have to say that this mode here mode equals to 2. So like that only, suppose 5 has repeated and 5 times means we have to say that mode equal to 5. Suppose 3 has repeated many times, so we have to say that it is a 3. So the value which occurs most frequently means most ఎక్కువ సార్లు ఏ నంబర్ రిపీట్ అయి ఉంటుందో ఆ నంబర్ ని మనము మోడ్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఇన్ an ungrouped data is called a mode. Here only we have that in mode. So here we have the one number is repeating, so it is as an a unique modal data. Mode means modal data, we call it as. Okay, suppose here 2 has repeated 5 times. Next if you take means 3 has repeated 2 times. 3 has repeated 2 times. So these 2 times you are saying that this data having as an a bimode. So bimodal data. Suppose any number has repeated so many times, we can say that it is an a trimodal data. So now we have to check that more definition we have to check. For more grouped data we have the formula. Mode for grouped data, mode Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is a formula for the mode. So first we have to know this one. L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. So L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here we have to write down that separately. So L what we call here, F1 what we call, F0 what we call. For this question we will get for 1 mark question will come. Okay. Or in the bit they will mention for write down the mode formula or any value they ask and they write down that alphabet that letter they ask. So L means here what we have to say means here L equal to lower boundary. Here L is the lower boundary of the model data. Next H. H equal to size of the class interval. Size of the class interval, size of the class interval. Next, F1 equal to frequency of the model, frequency of the model class, frequency of the model class. F0 equals to frequency of the preceding the model data, preceding the model data. F2 equals to frequency of the succeeding the model data, succeeding the model data. And next, L, H, F1, F0, F2. So all these we have found out here. So all these we have found out here. So L we call it as an lower boundary of the model data. H equal to size of the class interval. F1 equal to frequency of the model class. F0 equal to frequency of the preceding, means what we are taking as an F1, that one previous one we have to take as an F0, and F2 frequency of the succeeding of the model data, means F1 after what the number will come, that succeeding number we have to take. So when we go through the problem, easily you can understand this one. So first, here mostly frequencies ones we will see. If you have the textbook, open the textbook. Example 4 we will see here. In the example 4, what they ask means, in example 4, what they ask means, see here. The wickets taken by the bowler in a 10 cricket matches. 10 cricket matches ni wickets తీసుకున్నవి ఏమేం ఉన్నాయో wickets చూడమన్నాడు. The wickets taken by a bowler, the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. Okay, now see here, 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Then find the mode of the data. Find the mode of the data. So here they asked here to find the mode of the data. See now here the wickets taken by a bowler in a 10 cricket matches. 10 cricket matches the bowler has taken the wickets. How many wickets they has taken? First we have to write in the ascending order. First we have to write in the order. See now 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Check here 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again 4, 1. So again 6. So 10 has completed. 10 wickets we have to check. Now written here in the ascending order. Now in this one, which one is mostly frequently repeated here? Mostly frequently repeated as in which number here? 2 has repeated. So here our answer is 2. Okay. So which number is repeated mostly? We have to say that 2. So we can easily say that, for example, for the mode means our shoe size. Our shoe size is maximally For higher sizes is not is possible. For the low size only we are possible. Yes or no? So suppose if you take the shoe size, so many members have the almost 5, 6, 4, 5 only is there. 6, 7 size it is very less. Yes or no? So for that one also we can take as an example for the mode. Okay, now we will see the example for this one. Another example we will see. Now see here, fifth example what they ask. A survey conducted on a 20 houses in a locality by a group of students result in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. In a family, how many members are there in the household? Total how many households are there? They connected the survey is 20 members for the household. They connected the survey. In that one, the group of students is result in the frequency. Group of students has resulted as a frequency table for the number of family members. In family 1, 2, 3, how many members are there in the family? They has collected the data for the students. Now we will write in the table form first. First we have to write the family size. Family size. Next, number of families. Number of families. So here they ask in the question, find the mode of the data. Just they ask the mode of the data. Okay. So here size we have to write first. 1, 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 7, 9, 9, 11. Next 7, 8, 2, 2, 1. So we are written now data like this. So next what we have to do means we have to check that here number has most repeated number only they will give here. Which is the number here? Highest number is there. 8 is the highest number here. Here 8 is the highest number. So this number we have to write that. So this is the highest number. So this is the highest number. So we have to first write down that. So this one highest mode means first mode means in the previous definition we learned. Yes or no? Just now we learned the definition. L plus F1 minus F0. So here F1 is the frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. Model class means nothing but it is a mode here. So actual frequency, what is the actual mode number is what is here means F1 we have to denote that one. So here F1 has 8. So here we have to take as an F1. Next F0 which number we have to take means F0 we have to take as an preceded number. So preceded number here what is there? 7 is there. So 7 we have to say that F2 we have to take. Sorry, F1, F0 we have to take. Preceded number we have to take as an F0 and again 2 we have to take as an F2. So F1 preceded number we have to take as an F0 and F1 successor number we have to take as an F2. We have to represent this one F1, F0, F2. So again here we have to find out the L means here class interval we have to find out. Yes or no? So here L means we have to check that lower boundary of the model class. L means here lower boundary of the, if the class is discontinued, again continue the class none. So L is the lower boundary of the model data. Okay. So now here L means we have to check here. See here, L means here, this is an a lower bound, this is an a lower boundary, this is an upper boundary. This is the lower boundary and this is the upper boundary. So now there in the question, L means we have to take out as an a lower boundary. So lower boundary we have to take. Mode Z equals to, Z bar equals to L plus Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now L is a lower boundary we have find out here, and F1, F0. Now H we want. H means we have to take the class here. Here class how much is there we have to check. So upper boundary minus lower boundary means 3 minus 1 means 2. Here class of the length is 2. So H equal to 2. H equal to 2. Now we will write here once, see. So L equals to, L means here lower boundary of the class 3. Again F1 how much here? F1 8, F2 equals to 2 and F0 equals to 7. H equal to 2. H means how like we will get here H? Upper boundary minus lower boundary. Upper boundary minus lower boundary. So upper boundary minus lower boundary means here 5 minus 3 that equals to 2. So H equal to 2. So all values are we have find out here. Just these values are in the substitute in the given formula. Okay. Now only we learn that formula. L plus F0, F1 minus F0. Okay. Now here I am doing this problem. See. Once again I am writing the formula. Why? Because to note down that formula in your mind. So mod Z equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now H value I already now only I done. So now H value how much it is? Now H equal to L value I already know, lower boundary 3. F1 value how much? 8 minus F0 how much? F0 is 7 by 2 into F1 how much? 8 minus F0 again 7, F2 2 into H how much I got? 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2 8 16. Just these two indicates only for the 2F1 only. F0 ki F0 ki F2 ki 2 sambandham ledhu, separate. Okay. So F1 is separate for this one. 2 into 8 16 minus 7 minus 2 minus 9. So minus 9 into 2 that equals to 3 plus 1 by 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 means how much we will get? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 means 7. How much we will get? 7 into 2. So 3 plus 2 by 7. 3 plus 2 by 7. So with 7 if you do the LCM also no problem. Here anything is not there means 7 is there. So LCM equal to 7. No need separately we will. Now 7 divided 2. So 7 it is not possible to do. Yes or no? 0, 2. Again if I keep the point again it will come 0. Again it is possible to go with 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. 21 means it is more. So I am taking here 7 2. 2s. 7 2s 14. Now I am taking the borrow here. 10 minus 4 6. Again point is there means I am taking as an a 0. Again 7 7s 49. 7 8s 56. 7 8s 56. Again 4 it is possible here. 4 is possible means 0 again. 7 3s. Again 7 6 7 6 are 42. 7 7 49. 7 5 35. So point after I am taking as an a 2 digits. Now see here 3 plus 0.28. So I am taking here 3 plus 0 point means 3.00 0.28. So in the point after here 3 it is an a just 3 normal 3 only here. Here point after is there 0.28. So 3.00 if you write here also 3 only will come. The value won't be changed. Okay. So 3.28. So when you are doing the points addition, points of decimal addition, so you have to check carefully. So if you keep here 0.28, just 3 if you write here means the addition will go wrong. So you have to check properly 3.00 0.28. So the addition will come 3.28. So our mode value is 3.28. So Z equals to 3.28. So first if you know the values here correctly, everything it is easy for you. Okay. See here once again. So first we have to write here family size. First we have to write here. Again here we have to write the number of families. Okay. In the question only they mentioned family size and number of families. Okay. Next here family size means 1 3 3 5 5 7 7 9 9 11. So number of families they are again they only mentioned in the given question only 7 8 2 2 1. So we have to check here. First we have to find out the mode. Mode means most frequently number we have to check. Mostly frequently means here 8 is the highest number. Here in this table 8 is the highest number means so it is an mode for us. So F1 we have to represent for that one. So for that one only I am taking as an which one you are representing as an mode number mode class, that only you have to take the lower boundary. Okay. So here lower boundary, what is the number here? 3 is there. Okay. So again in the just now formula only we discussed in the frequency preceding of the F1 mode frequent model data frequency preceding number we had to take as an F0. Successor data we had to take as an F2. So F1, F0, F2. So these three if you find out means it is easy. Suppose if you take by down means the problem will completely go the wrong. Okay. F1 after only you have to take the F0. F1 అయిపోయిన వెంటనే preceding number means back number we have to take, before number we have to take. What is the before number? That is 7. 7 is F0. Again here succeeded number means we have to take as an successor number we have to take means we have to take that F2 as an successor number we have to take. Okay. Again lower boundary we find out F1, F0, F2. H value we have to find out. H value we have to find out means just we have to know the upper boundary minus lower boundary. Upper boundary how much it is there? 5 is there. Lower boundary it is 3 is there. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So H equal to 2. These values all we have to substitute in the formula. Our answer will come. Okay. Z equals to 3.26. So next problem we will see. Now exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2 we will see now. So this model only we have the problem exercise